Hello friends, welcome to T9B English Channel. My name is Tamim. I am a student. Today, I will tell you about my day in simple English. This story will help you practice English listening. The sentences are easy. The words are simple. Please relax and listen. Let's start. I wake up very early in the morning. The time is 6 o'clock. The sun is not very bright. The morning is calm and quiet. I open my eyes slowly. I sit on my bed. I feel a little sleepy. I take a deep breath. I look at the window. The sky is light blue. The air is fresh. I feel happy to start my day. I stand up from my bed. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. My body feels better. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. The cold water wakes me up. I brush my teeth slowly. I look in the mirror. I smile a little. I go back to my room. I make my bed. I like a clean room. A clean room feels good. I open the window. Fresh air comes inside. I can hear birds outside. The birds are singing. The sound is soft and nice. I sit on my chair. I check my phone. I see the time again. It is still early morning. I decide to drink water. I go to the kitchen. I take a glass. I drink fresh water. The water feels cool. Now I feel more awake. I want to start my morning routine. I like simple habits. Small habits make my day better. I go outside for a short walk. The street is quiet. Few people are outside. Some people are walking slowly. Some people are riding bicycles. The air is cool and fresh. I walk slowly and enjoy the morning. I look at the trees. The leaves move in the wind. The sky looks beautiful. The sun slowly rises. The light becomes brighter. I feel peaceful. After some time, I go back home. Now I feel hungry. It is time for breakfast. I go to the kitchen again. I make a simple breakfast. I make 2 pieces of toast. I make a cup of tea. The tea smells good. The toast is warm. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I drink my tea. I enjoy the quiet morning. Eating slowly feels nice. After breakfast, I clean the table. I wash my cup. I wash my plate. I like to keep things clean. Now I want to practice English. I sit at my desk. I open my notebook. I write a few simple sentences. I write about my morning. I write about my breakfast. Writing helps me learn English. Then I open a short English video. I listen carefully. The speaker talks slowly. The words are simple. I try to understand the meaning. I listen one time, then I listen again. The second time is easier. I understand more words. Listening every day is very helpful. My brain slowly learns the language. After listening, I try to speak a little. I look around my room. I describe things in English. I say, "This is my room." I say, "This is my desk." I say, "This is my chair." I say, "The window is open." The weather is nice. My sentences are simple, but simple practice is good. Now it is time to study. I am a student. I like to learn new things. I open my laptop. I read some lessons. I watch a learning video. I write some notes. The morning passes slowly. Time moves forward. I stay focused on my work. After some time, I feel a little tired. I decide to take a short break. I stand up from my chair. I stretch my body. I drink another glass of water. Then I look outside the window. The street is more busy now. Many people are outside. Cars move on the road. The city feels alive. Now it is almost noon. I start to feel hungry again. It is time for lunch. I go to the kitchen again. I prepare a simple lunch. I cook rice. I cook vegetables. The food smells good. I sit at the table again. I eat slowly. I enjoy my meal. Good food gives energy. After lunch, I feel relaxed. I sit quietly for a few minutes. I rest my body. Then I decide to read a short English story. Reading is also good practice. The story is simple. The words are easy. I read slowly. I try to understand each sentence. Reading helps me learn new words. After reading, I write a few more sentences in my notebook. I write about my lunch. I write about my day. Writing every day improves my English. Now the afternoon begins. The sun is high in the sky. The weather is warm. I continue my work. I study again. I watch another lesson. Time moves slowly but smoothly. In the afternoon, I like to drink tea again. So I go to the kitchen and make another cup of tea. I sit near the window. I drink tea slowly. I look outside. Children are playing outside. They are laughing and running. Their voices are happy. Watching people makes me feel relaxed. Later, I decide to go outside again. I take a short walk. The afternoon air is warm. The sun shines softly. I walk slowly on the street. I look at the shops. I look at the people. Some people are talking. Some people are shopping. Life moves around me. After the walk, I return home. Now the evening is coming. The sky becomes orange. The sun slowly goes down. The evening feels calm and beautiful. I sit at my desk again. I practice English listening one more time. I play another simple story. I listen carefully. Listening again and again helps my brain understand English better. After listening, I repeat a few sentences. I speak slowly and clearly. Practice makes progress. Now it is time for dinner. I go to the kitchen again. I prepare a simple dinner. I cook noodles. The noodles are warm and tasty. I sit and eat quietly. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. Then I relax for a short time. I watch a short video. Later, I prepare for sleep. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I go to my room. I turn off the bright light. I lie on my bed. The room is quiet again. Before sleeping, I listen to one more English audio. Listening before sleep is a good habit. My eyes slowly close. My body feels tired but peaceful. Today was a good day. I woke up early. I studied. I practiced English. Small steps help me improve every day. Tomorrow, I will try again. Tomorrow, I will learn more English. Thank you for listening to my story. If you like this video, please like the video. Please subscribe to T9B English Channel. Practice English every day. I would like to finish here today. See you again some other day.